Students, so let's continue the concluding part of this chapter, Boli, written by K.A. Abbas. In the last video module, the part which we discussed that Boli raised her voice against the injustice or for her rights. So that is why everyone, all the people including her brothers, sister, parents, neighbors, relations, everyone, that they were startled the way she spoke without stammering. And the guest also began to whisper how shameless, so ugly, shameless, all these things. And in between, when she denied to marry with Bishamba, an old woman said that how shameless. We thought that she is a harmless dumb creature or the dumb cow. That time when Boli heard this, what she did, she turned violently on where old woman, and she replied to the old woman, "Yes, auntie, you are right. What you all people thought that I am what? I am a dumb cow. I am a dumb driven cow. And so that is why you wanted me to hand over. You wanted to hand over me to such a man. How? A heartless creature. You thought that I am a dumb driven cow, so that is why you wanted to hand me over to such a heartless creature." It means Bishambarnath. Now see, you can see, now the dumb cow or the stammering fool is speaking now. Stammering, I wrote in short, ST, stammering actually the word. Stammering fool, now speaking, and that is clearly, without stammering. "Do you want to hear more?" she asked to that lady. And then after this what happened, Bishambarnath, he started to go back. The confused bandsmen or the people, they thought that it was an end of the ceremony. So that is why the bandsmen, what they started to play a closing song. They thought that the marriage ceremony is over, so that is why they played what? A closing song started to play. So then Ramlal, father of Boli, that he stood there rooted to the ground and his head bowed down or low due to the weight of grief and shame that he was standing there. He stood rooted firm to the ground. Who? Ramlal, due to the grief and shame. He thought that now the party is going or the bridegroom is going back. So that is why it is a disgrace. It is an insult. He will not able to show his face in the village again. So that is why he was standing. Then slowly the flames of that sacred fire or that holy fire, they also slowly died down, put off, and all the guests that they were also disappeared. It means that everyone was gone. So then Ramlal, he said to his daughter, he asked her, what did he ask to Boli? But what about you? What will you do now? Who will marry ever with you now? Who will marry ever with you then? He asked to his daughter. And what shall we do with you? Who asked this question? Ramlal asked to his daughter, it means Boli. He asked her. Then Sulekha. Sulekha means, who is this Sulekha? Boli's actual name, Sulekha. See now, in the last portion of this chapter or the story, first time this word is used to Sulekha. Right? Boli means, we know that. Boli means the simpleton. But Sulekha, it is a good name, is coming here, having a good behavior or the good girl. So then, Sulekha, it means Boli, she said in a calm and steady voice that she replied to her father. What did she reply? "Don't worry, father. or Pitaji, what I will do, I will serve you and mother in your old age, and plus I will teach in the same school from where I have learnt so much, at the same place, same school that I will teach, and I will serve you. It means her father and mother in their old age, she said to her parents. And she asked to her teacher also, because in that crowd her teacher was also standing, that lady teacher. Looking at that lady teacher, she asked her, what did she ask her? Isn't that right, madam? Boli asked, Miss Sulekha asked to the teacher. The teacher replied, the teacher had all along stood in a corner, right? And she was watching the whole drama. Who? The teacher standing in a corner. She was watching the drama. The teacher replied, yes, Boli, sure, yes. And there was what? The teacher's eyes. There was a deep satisfaction, a light of deep satisfaction in the teacher's eyes. Satisfaction, in short, I wrote here. Satisfaction, the word. There was a deep satisfaction in her teacher's eyes. And just like an artist feels, a painter, an artist feels when contemplating means thinking or something there, thinking deeply. After contemplating the completion, here this word is completion. The way artist feels after when contemplating, thinking over deeply the completion of the masterpiece. Completion of the masterpiece. Masterpiece means the best work ever created by that fellow or the person. Here the lady teacher. Because see now, Bholi or Sulekha was the masterpiece for her teacher, because her teacher has created this art. It means in the form of Bholi or Sulekha. Teacher, she encouraged Bholi, she motivated, she inspired her. So that is why today Bholi, that she was raising her voice against the injustice, against this dowry system, that she stood firm. And she could speak clearly. That was only because of that teacher. So that is why Bholi, it means Sulekha, was a masterpiece. It means best work for the art, which was created by that artist. Who is the artist here? Teacher is the artist. And what is the masterpiece? Bholi is the masterpiece. Her behavior. Sulekha. Right? So in this way here is the end of the summary of this chapter. I hope it is clearly understood to you, all these points. So at your home you read it word by word, line by line. Now only one thing is left, that is the theme of this chapter, that we will discuss it in the next video module. Only thing. So that's all from me, students. Thank you and have a nice day.